Okay, let's see. Maybe I will start in the kitchen to check you first. God, we have so much stuff, guys. This is ridiculous. Oh no, I don't really know what to do with all of this stuff. Okay, but you gotta start somewhere. So yeah, I'll start in the kitchen. So the lid of our companionway hatch, it has some cracks in it, and we went to the hardware store the other day and we now bought some wood filler. So we will fill up those cracks and afterwards we will varnish the hatch. And yeah, then it should be great and look like new again. We were quite annoyed by all the cracks in the wood, and yeah, as you know by now, we like to work on the wood of our boat and to make it pretty and shiny, and yeah, that's what we are doing today. Wie weiß ich, dass es tief nicht eingeht? Nicht so schießt. Ja, das wirkt so oberflächlich, ne? Viel besser.
After filling in all the cracks, it was time to sand the surface. Meanwhile, Max decided to put another coat of varnish on the toe rails. Home improvement and DIY projects on the boat are always more fun when you do them together.
So when we went to the hardware store, we also bought some new brass faucets, and we will change them, and Max is just working on the one in the bathroom, or in the head. Yes, on a boat, a bathroom is called a head. And yeah, we bought one for the kitchen as well, and this should really look cool. Max is at the airport and he's picking up our rental car. We are already preparing for the Atlantic crossing and to leave the boat here for about 2 months. And today I'm checking all of our food and all the stuff that expires before February 2021. I'm gonna check it and I'm gonna collect it and then we will give it away. Probably to the Sea Heroes or maybe to Lars and Alex from Navica Sailing. Or maybe to Andrew and Caitlin of A Nautical Change. Actually, the Coro tribe also might like it, so Fu and Rea from Sailing Coro, they probably also might like some of it. So we have quite a nice neighborhood here, and yeah, so I hope that we find somebody who will take it off our hands so that it doesn't go to waste. Because we hate it when things go to waste, don't we? Okay, let's see. Maybe I will start in the kitchen to check you first. God, we have so much stuff, guys. This is ridiculous. Okay. Teriyaki. Unopened. Still good until 2022. Good. So, teriyaki is still good. Yeah. Yes, good, that was that. Okay, next one. So this is where we keep all the sweets and canned goods. I'm gonna just see what is open. Okay. Ay. This is how much cereal Max thinks he needs for 1 week. Okay, it's not so bad. I mean, this is everything. It really isn't that much actually, so I'm quite proud of myself. And the rest we can keep. It's all canned, it's all good until 2023 or something, so great. Why would anybody be proud about this? The good thing about video editing and filming and doing all this vlogging stuff, I can do it over and over and over. Or I could just use this. Job done.
The fresh water that you get in marinas isn't always good. So in order to make sure that it's drinkable, we decided to install these 2 filters. To get all the bacteria and particles out of the water before it actually reaches our stainless steel water tank. That way we can save a lot of money and space on the boat. Because now we do not need to buy bottled water any longer.
I'm
We are cleaning up the engine compartment because we have a small oil leak somewhere and we haven't found it yet. So in order to find the leak, we need to degrease the engine first. It's really hard to find this leak because every time the engine is running, the alternator belt picks up the oil and now it's pretty much everywhere. So once it is clean, we will check for and later fix the leak. But before that, we also have to install a new starter battery because ours failed recently. It overheated, which was a bit of a disaster really, and afterwards we decided to change our battery bank altogether. But more about this bigger boat project in another video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and join us next time when we travel to the Canary Islands to move in with our friends Saskia and Miguel and prepare their boat for the Atlantic crossing. See you!